Wait, you chums. Bend over and kiss your ass goodbye. The Germinator is here. Put that cookie down.
You're done for. Hello.
Oh, you're there.
Yeah, in the camper steaming. I was going to call you as soon as I was done steaming. Yeah, I came out here to take some measurements.
Yeah?
And see what's what, but first I want to kill some critters.
Want to kill some critters?
Yeah, steam the place and kill some of these germs.
Oh, I thought something got into it.
Oh no, microscopic critters. Gotta go bye-bye. Got a good start on them.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just checking the measurements for this fridge now. Looks like it might fit right by that window there, but it's a little bit high.
Oh, cool. That'll work then.
But yeah, it's right under the window. No, there's... It'll never fit where the fridge is now. It'll stick out 10 inches.
Yeah.
Now
That's gonna be a food pantry there.
let me see back here away from the window. It'll fit there, but it'll cover up those two cabinets. But I'm going to try again once I get this table out of here.
Yeah.
It's hard to measure anything with this table in the way.
Man, I hope so. We can just keep eating outside all the time.
Yeah, that's what I'm planning on, doing all the cooking and eating outside. I am thinking again of just taking the stove out of here.
Okay.
Because I don't think we'll be doing much cooking in here.
Another thing, remember how big that wall mount heater coming in at?
It came today.
It did? How big is it?
Yeah, I didn't take it out of the box. But I'm a little afraid it's not going to fit in that spot we want to put it in.
Oh, I moved that. I'm thinking about mounting it on the back wall where the stove is.
I don't think there's room there either. Well, all I do, I run in the house and get the measurements. Let's see here. 16 by 16 we got where the opening is now. And I'm pretty sure that heater is bigger than that.
Yeah, but how big is the wall? It might fit diagonally on the countertop.
Well, we could,
And bolt it down.
what we could do is cut this piece out and lower that shelf. You know, we could make one higher countertop and one lower countertop so there's room. Put it there.
Interesting.
Let's see what we got behind the stove. Yeah, we only have 16 inches back there too, so it ain't gonna fit back there. Aha! Look what we got, guys. We won't have to be freezing cold in here anymore when we get this baby hooked up. They don't break it.
I'm suffocating. Help me.
I said I wish they'd put a handle on this thing so you could hold it decent.
It's made for wall mount.
I know, you still gotta pick the damn thing up. Oh boy.
What?
Well, we might get it to fit here, but it's gonna severely limit the room we have to get in. It really sticks out quite a bit.
Okay. Try it this way, just to humor me.
Okay.
Turn it so the back faces the house.
Yeah, I got it sitting on the counter. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll do that in a minute. And I'm wondering, maybe if we take the stove out, it might actually sit there.
You said you was going to take the stove off, right?
Yeah, it looks like it only sticks up about, well, this damn knob, that's the killer. It sticks up about 2 or 3 inches above where the soft side starts.
Really?
But it's sitting on the burners, too, of the stove, so.
Yeah, now if you move her off the stove and try it.
And then here's an idea, too, where the hole is where the stove is,
Yeah.
we just put a little, we put a piece of wood in there, but it just dips down a couple inches, just enough to hold that in there nice and snug.
Yeah.
Because it looks pretty nice there, actually. Okay, so back to the refrigerator and toilet. I don't think we're going to fit, but the refrigerator will fit in this back seat thing here.
Yeah.
And as far as the toilet, I don't know, like I said, once we get the table out, we might be able to measure a little bit better. This table out of here and get that stovetop out. I want to get all the curtains and blankets and everything out.
Yeah.
And give them a scalding hot wash.
The mattress should go out too.
Yeah, that's going to go out too and get
Steam cleaned.
double steam cleaned. And then I'll
So
get
now we're going to be nice and toasty no matter where we go.
Yeah. These guys are going to be nice and warm in here. So you don't have to worry about bringing your jackets or anything.
We'll make a, I don't know, it all depends. Are we getting new countertops to keep that one?
I have to make a new one because we're taking the sink and everything out. So just take this whole countertop off.
Yeah, just measure it and we'll go through an hour to buy a straight piece and then we just cut the hole to the size we want.
Yeah. Okay guys, today it's pretty chilly out,
It's 17 below.
but we're hoping to get these steps installed. We got lucky and found a pair of these nice scissor steps on Facebook Marketplace, so we saved a lot of money on those.
Now you're going to step back and see if it's level.
So all we gotta do is put up this bracket. Let's see. Does that look level? Yes, it does. It looks level to me.
Okay, I shall be done.
There.
Stay warm.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, don't walk into the Hobbit hut, dear. Yeah, it's like 5 below, but we're hoping this won't take very long, and it'd be really nice to have these steps instead of those steps. So we're gonna see. Pretty simple process. You attach the bracket and then just hook the stairs on the bracket. I can't feel my face anymore.
Really?
I can feel my cheeks freezing.
Looking to the sun. That's going in nice and tight.
Nice. Now we got the 5-step scissor stairs. I was pricing them online and they were like $400 or $500, and I thought, oh my god, I don't think so. So I thought, what the heck, let's look at Facebook Marketplace. And we just got lucky and found these 90 minutes from home for $150, almost like new, so that was pretty lucky. Now we got stairs.
Screw that bolt. Which way you want to go? This way?
Slide down in there.
The bolts are too big, actually.
Oh boy.
Well, I think they'll work.
Yeah,
No matter what.
I don't think it's going to come out. Yeah, I got to do a little bit more ripping things out, rip out the countertop and the sink.
This gotta go.
Get rid of all this wiring and stuff I don't need.
It's not too bad in here, actually.
No, for as cold as it is outside. The
That's
thing,
gonna be hard.
mattress is not even frozen.
Huh? Usually they're hard.
In your truck, they always froze solid, but this
Yeah.
is still soft.
In
So
my truck.
that's something.